Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This beautiful hair is by none other than Luvme Hair. So if you want to achieve this look and completely glueless, as you can see, I can pull it off and put it back on my head and look, it's just giving scalp. If you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but girl, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know you want
Alright guys, let's get started. So as you know, this hair is from Luvme Hair and I'm taking it out the bag and this is how it looks. This is my first time seeing it, and to be honest, as I'm opening it, I feel a little bit intimidated because it's a lot of hair, but at the same time, I gotta be happy. It's a lot of hair. It's nice and full, you guys. So this is really like a natural hair, like a yaki texture. I'm showing you guys inside. There's 3 combs. There's actually 4 combs, and there's a band that makes it nice and snug. So I'm going to try it on. And this is how it looks like right out of the package, you guys. It's a nice and full wig. I am absolutely loving it. It's giving natural hair. It's giving blowout. And yeah, I'm showing you guys the length of it. And I'm showing you guys the lace too. It is HD lace, but I want it to be like matching my skin tone, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Fenty bronzer and I'm going to put it on my brush, and then I'm going to put it all over that lace. And that's going to ensure that the lace melts nicely on my head, even without glue. And now I'm putting back on the wig to make sure that it's blending nicely, and as you can see, it looks like it blends in with my skin tone so much better. And I'm going to show you guys a before and after clip of how it looked like before. And I find that this is just a really crucial step, because if it doesn't blend, then it's just gonna be like, oh, there's the lace, you know, like it's not gonna look natural. So right here, this is the before and after, as you can see. So now I'm going to take it off so that I can cut the lace. And as you guys know, I always do an up and down motion. I don't cut straight on the lace because it's just not going to look natural.
Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me back? Or is it just a game?
And when I'm done doing that, I put it back on. And look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. You can actually just rock it like this if you want to. This could be definitely a final look. This is giving, I just blew out my natural 4C hair. I am loving it. But for me, I'm going to do some baby hairs and I'm gonna lay it down just a little bit more. I'm just gonna customize it. But I'm also showing you, if you don't want to do baby hair, you can even put it behind your ears, and even that looks nice and natural too.
Do you want me back? Or is it just a game?
And now I'm giving you guys a close-up of this hair, okay? Like, I really need you guys to take in the lace. This is HD lace. This was not plucked or anything like that. This is straight out the box, you guys. It's giving scalp. I didn't do anything. I didn't even bleach the knots. The knots already came pre-bleached. And as you can tell, the knots are really small too. And I love that about this company. But yeah, like I said, I want to create baby hairs, and baby hairs on a closure is always a good idea because it makes your closure look like a frontal.
Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same?
And to lay down the baby hairs, I always use mousse, and it could be any mousse you want. I just have my Herbal Essence mousse, so that's what I'm using right now.
Do you want me back? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah.
Alright, and after I'm done doing that, I wanted to lay flatter. So I'm going to take some of my serum and put it on my hair. And I'm just prepping it for the hot comb. So this serum is like a heat protecting serum, and it also protects against frizz. So I'm putting that on there, but I'm not putting too much. If you put too much, then it's just going to look like a hot greasy mess. But yeah, and then I'm also going to put my wax stick all over the top, and that will make it really flat when I put the hot comb, but it will also protect it from the heat.
Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.
Now I'm showing you guys the difference between the side where I put the hot comb and the side where I didn't put the hot comb. And you can definitely see the difference. And yeah, I'm gonna do the other side now.
To make you come around, I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do.
And this is the final look, you guys. I am absolutely in love with it. This wig is just so amazing. My mom's hair is actually naturally like this when she was my age, and this looks like, honestly, it looks exactly like her back in the days. So yeah, this is the final look. Shout out to Luvme Hair for this amazing hair. They never ever disappoint me. And you guys, this hair does not shed. I played with it. I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and the hair does not shed. And again, you can wear it like this, or you can even do a side part. And what I love about the fact that I didn't glue it down is that I could just slide it down into a side part. And one of the reasons why baby hair is important is because you see how the side part looks like, the baby hair just looks like sideburns. Yep. So yeah, again, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial and / review. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. And all the information will be down in the description below. See you guys next time. Bye.